Do you want to heal your life, reduce stress, and experience more joy, peace, and harmony? Or perhaps you want to increase your creativity, intuition, or self-expression. Art is a powerful tool that unlocks your subconscious mind, allowing you to release pain, process emotions, and find clarity and meaning. In fact, art has been used throughout human history to express the depths of human experience because our minds understand the abstract or symbols at a deeper level than language.
This course is designed to explore the use of art therapy on yourself. The therapeutic process of creating art for self-expression, rather than putting pressure on yourself to make your art look good, will help you uncover and release outdated patterns, heal past emotional pain, tune into your intuition, and explore your deepest dreams and desires. You will learn how to create powerful ancient art designs for meditation and self-exploration, such as mandalas, as well as explore modern-day artistic approaches for goal setting and manifesting your dreams, like vision boards and dream boards. You'll also use a variety of other art therapy methods, including journaling, guided meditation, and art therapy for stress reduction.
You'll learn the psychology behind your mind, which is your most powerful tool, as well as how to change your thoughts and beliefs, use affirmations to increase your confidence, and how visualization can rewire your brain and transform your life. This course is designed for adults, but it's transformational for any age. Anyone can use art therapy exercises. No artistic ability is required, and that's the best part of all. And all therapeutic activities taught in this course use simple, inexpensive material that you can easily grab from around your house and get started using these powerful tools to create more joy, peace, and harmony in your life right now.
This course is taught by 3 experts in the fields of life coaching, personal development, psychology, and psychoanalysis. Our varied experience and perspectives adds depth and variety to the program. Instructors Joelle and Natalie Rivera have over a decade in the life coaching field. They have a background in social services, psychology, education, and as entrepreneurs. Joelle also has a master's degree in counseling and is completing his dissertations for his PhD in psychology with a focus on happiness. They have over 60,000 students from 188 countries. Victoria Hawkins is a licensed clinical social worker, psychotherapist, artist, yoga and dance instructor, and workshop facilitator. She has been working with students and clients of all ages for over 20 years, incorporating art, creative movement, wisdom teachings, creative writing, psychotherapy, and mindfulness meditation. We look forward to seeing you in the course.